Last time, Bella saw a sparkle near the puddle. Deep in the woods, inside a den lined with soft moss and smooth rocks, Max, the bear cub, opened his eyes. He listened. The trees outside hummed. The leaves whispered hello. Max sat up, hugged his knees, and gave his chest a gentle pat, thump, thump. He smiled. I feel something warm today. Like I might help someone. He wrapped his scarf around his neck. It was a little too big, which made it even cozier. Max stepped outside. Sunlight danced through the trees. Each step made a soft crunch. He passed a tall fern, a sleepy snail, and a pile of pine cones. Then, chirp, chirp, hiccup. Max stopped. That chirp sounded wobbly. And that hiccup, not a happy one. He followed the sound. Around a stump, past a patch of mushrooms, and there, under a low-hanging branch, sat a tiny blue songbird. Its feathers were puffed. Its eyes were teary. Max knelt slowly. "Hello there," he said softly. "Are you okay?" The bird hiccuped again. Its wing looked folded wrong. Max gently placed a leaf blanket over its back. Then he hummed, The songbird blinked up at him. It shifted a little under the leaf and made a small peep. Max smiled. That made my heart feel big. He sat quietly beside the bird for a little while. No rush, just calm. When the bird was resting peacefully, Max stood up. "I'll check on you tomorrow, little one." He walked slowly home, patting his chest again, thump, thump. And when he reached the meadow edge, there it was. The puddle shimmered once more. This time, it jingled like tiny bells. Max stepped closer. The sparkle blinked once, then vanished. "Bella saw this too," Max whispered. Maybe tomorrow we'll find out what it means."